Hello students, this is the next part of reproduction, that is sexual reproduction in plants. So we have studied till now that reproduction is asexual reproduction of plants, that is so many asexual reproduction by we have studied, that is vegetative reproduction and budding and fragmentation and spore formation. These we have studied in this we have studied before. Now we will study about sexual reproduction in plants. So sexual reproduction, what we told, that where seeds are involved, from seeds where plants are grown, that is sexual reproduction. So how seeds are produced? With the help of flowers. So let's see what are the reproductive parts of flower. So flower is a reproductive organ of plant. Let's see the flowers of a plant, okay, that is reproductive organs, that participate in sexual reproduction. The male reproductive parts are what? Stamen. That one we have already studied in class 6. So now you will recall the female reproductive part is what? Pistil. Okay, so you will see here this is pistil and these are what? Your stamens. So many stamens are there. Those yellow color are stamens and this middle one green color is what? Pistil. So look at here, a flower has a stalk, okay, then sepal, then petal, okay, this red color petal, then after that petal, stamen is there, which is male reproductive part. Petal stamen consists of anther, okay, then below anther is what? Filament. Then middle one is what? Pistil. Pistil is what? Your stigma, style and ovary. Inside ovary what is there? Ovule is there. Okay. So these are the parts of a flower. So some flowers contain both stamen and pistil. Those are bisexual flowers. So both stamen and pistil, which flower contain, that is bisexual flower रे कौन थे? both stamen और pistil थे. जेमती lily, rose, brinjal, hibiscus देखिथिबो जोटा मंदार फूल, petunia, mustard. Okay. Then some flowers contain either the stamen, okay, not sorry, this is wrongly written. Either stamen सेथिरे either stamen थिबो नहले खाली pistil थिबो. So those are known as unisexual flowers. तमे देखिथिबो किछि अमृतभंडा गछ नहले कदली गछ देखिथिबो, गोटे गोटे कदली गछ अमृतभंडा रे फल हुए आउ गोटे गोटे गछ अछि जोथरे कि फल हुएनी. जोथरे फल हुएनी सेथिरे कोन हुए? खाली सेथिरे कोन हुए? सेथिरे मेल फ्लावर हुए. मेल फ्लावर्स मींस सेटा को मेल प्लांट कहै छै, काहे ना सेथिरे मेल फ्लावर्स हुए. मेल फ्लावर्स मींस व्हाट? that is containing the flowers containing only stamen. The male part is stamen. तो जो फ्लावर रे खाली stamen थाए ताको कोन कहै छै? मेल फ्लावर. आ जो गछ रे खाली मेल फ्लावर हुए सेइथरे कोन हुए? फ्रूट्स हुएनी. दैट एंड गोटे गोटे आउ गोटे गोटे अछि जोथरे कि तमरो कोन हेतिबो? फ्रूट्स होतबो. जेमि तमरो जो कदली गछ रे फल होतबो नल जो अमृतभंडा गछ रे तुमरो पपाया गछ रे फल होतबो सेइथरे कोन हुए? Both male or female flower थांते. Okay, so male flower contain only stamen and female flower contain only pistil. Okay, so unisexual flowers are what? Papaya, okay, that is amrutbhanda, watermelon, cucumber, coconut. Okay, your banana is also containing unisexual flowers. The new plant produced, banana does not contain flower. Okay, then the new plants produced contains the characteristic of both plants that participate in sexual reproduction. So let's see that clearly. Let's explain the male part and female part. The stamen consists of anther that has pollen grains. So upper portion is anther and lower portion, that stalk like portion, okay, the stick like portion, that is filament. Okay, and inside anther what is there? Pollen sacs are there, and inside pollen sacs you will see the pollen grains. Next is pistil. The pistil consists of three parts. One is style, stigma, style, ovary. So stigma is the sticky surface where pollen grains get attached. এই জায়গার কোন pollen grains attach है. Style is a tube-like structure which connects the stigma and ovary. Style कौन करे? Stigma ovary को connect करছে. Then ovary contain eggs in which female gametes or eggs are formed. So ovary ভিতরে কোন আছে? Ovule আছে. Ovule ভিতরে কোন আছে? Female gametes or eggs. Next, how the male gametes reach the female gametes in plant. So male gamete ରୁ female gamete male gametes female gametes ପାଖରୁ କେମିତି ପହଞ୍ଚିବ? Okay, so the male gametes and female gametes fuse. Okay, fuse means connected and form a zygote. Okay, mix ହେଇକି ସେମାନେ କଣ ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ କରନ୍ତି? Zygote. So male gametes reach the female gametes by the process of pollination. କୋଉ process ରେ? Pollination process ରେ. So the pollen grains ଆମର କୋଉଥିରେ ଅଛି? Stamen ରେ ଅଛି. Okay, that pollen grains which is present in your anther have tough covering which allows them in surviving the different climatic condition. तार गोटे tough cover थाए pollen grain चारिगो. Due to their light weight, winds water often carry them away to the different places. Winds or water. पवन नहले water रे कौन होबो? ए जो pollen कौन होबो? Flower रू कोठी को जीवो? गोटे flower रू आ गोटे flower को means anther रू stigma को जीवो. This process of transfer of pollen grains from one stigma to another is called pollination. Okay, so एटी कौन हो? Some pollen grains also get attached to insect to which carry them to different flowers. जो तमरो butterfly or your bee, they used to take juice from the flower. So from flower they used to take juice from one plant to other plant. They used to take juice from different plants. So like, and the pollens get attached to their legs. तांको legs रे pollens attach है जे और समान आउ थर जो flower ऊपर बसंते सेथरे कोन pollen झाड़ी देके पड़ंती. So look at here. Let's see, there are two types of pollination. One is self-pollination, that is autogamy. Another one is cross-pollination, that is genogamy. When the pollen grains land on stigma of the same flower or stigma ऊपर जदि pollen grains पड़िबो ताहले कोन हबो? ताको कोन कहै जे? That is self-pollination. Look at here, self-pollination with same flower. Okay. Then cross-pollination means when the pollen grains land on stigma of different flower, whether of similar kind or different kind. यदि pollination कौन होबो? गोटे flower रू आ गोटे flower को pollen grain जीवो सेही same plant रे नहले different plant रे ताहले कौन होबो? ताको कौन कहै जे? Cross pollination. तो self pollination रे सेही same flower रू pollen जीवो same flower रो stigma को, but cross pollination रो गोटे flower रू आ गोटे flower को pollen grains transfer होबो. Next we will see, that is pollination means how pollens are going to stigma. एबे stigma रे पहुंचला परे pollen रो कोन होबो? Fertilization होबो. How fertilization will occur? A zygote is formed as the fusion between male and female gamete occurs. जेतरे male और female gamete fuse हेबे. Male gamete हमर कोथरे थाए? Pollen grain रे. So this process of formation of zygote is called fertilization. Then zygote develops and turns into embryo. So कोन हुए? Pollen जेतरे स्टिग्मा ऊपर पड़िबो ताहले कोन होबो? स्टिग्मा रे से गोटे होल करिकी एमिति कहा पाखकु पहुंचीबो? ओव्यूल पाखकु. Then in ovule the pollen grain, from the pollen grain the male gamete will come inside the ovule. Ovule भितरे एंट्री करिबो ओवरी भितरे. Then that male gamete and female gamete fuse and form zygote. Okay, and this fusion is fertilization. याको कौन कहा जाए? Fertilization. जेतर male gamete और female gamete fuse करिवे and zygote formation करे ताको कहा जाए fertilization. Next, fertilization हैला पर कौन formation होबो? So zygote formation. Zygote टा कौन होबो? That zygote develops into seed and fruits. So how fruits and seeds are formed? After fertilization process, the ovary of flowers grows and develops into fruit. So ovary जोटा थबो सेटा कोथरे formation हो fruit. The remaining parts of a flower follow. Okay, then the ovules develop and forms a seed. So हमरो कौन थे ovary भितर कौन थे ovules. So ovules कोथरे develop हो seeds रे आ तमरो ovary develop हो fruit रे. The embryo is enclosed inside seeds. Okay, some fruits are fleshy, juicy. किसी fruits juicy like mango, apple, orange जहाँ को आमे juicy part खाऊ जो. Some fruits are hard like almonds and walnuts. Almonds और walnuts कोड़े hard थांते. Look at here, ovary containing ovule like this, fruit containing seed. Okay, fruit रे कौन थे? That seed contains embryo. यही embryo कौन हुए? यही seed जितने germinate हुए कौन formation करे? Germinating seeds through तम root formation and shoot formation हबो. That will develop into seedling, then seedling will develop into plant. Okay, grow into plant, and this developed plant again will produce fruit, flower, everything. Okay, next is seed dispersal. Okay, do you think if there will be no seed dispersal means spreading. Okay, चारिआडे बिखरेइबा. तो तमरो कोन हो जदी तमरो गोटे गछरे प्लांट रे सीड्स फॉर्मेशन हेची आउ सेही प्लांट तळे सबु सीड्स पड़ जानता. ओके, फ्रूट्स जति की भी सीड्स अछि से प्लांट तळे पड़ जान ताले कोन होबो एडी छोटो छोटो प्लांट डेवलप करिवो. ओके, बहुत सारा प्लांट सब गोटे जगह रे डेवलप करिवो. गोटे जगह रे डेवलप कले कोन होबो एडी कोन होबो सेमान को भीतर कंपटीशन हो फूड एंड मिनरल्स वाटर सब माने तांको भीतर कंपटीशन हो. आ जेहेतु ये बड़ प्लांट ये कोन करे ये सब नै जिवो एमान को बहुत कम मिलिवो. एमान को बहुत कम मिलले कोन एमान डेवलप हे परिबे केबे भी डेवलप हे परिबे. दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड सीड डिस्पर्सल. सेइथमे हमको सीड डिस्पर्सन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सीड्स एवरीवेयर. ओके, सीड्स को सब आडे या डिस्पर्स करिया पड़े. So that is the natural process. Naturally seed disperse होची. Okay, how the transportation of seeds from parent plant to different places is called seed dispersal. Seed dispersal allow growth of same kinds of plants in different regions. तमे जदि आंबो गछ तळे हे सब आंबो मंजी पड़ंता ताहले कोन होंता ता तळे हे सब गछ होंता आउ कोन होंता बहुत सारा आंबो गछ हेई पारंतो. सो सेइथ में कोन करा जी आंबो गछरो मंजी सब आडे पपड़ले जाई कि तमे कोन पाओ आंबो के खाई कि टाकुआडा अलग अलग जगह रे पकई थांदे ताहाले कोन हो सेइथुर कोन हो आंबो गछ हुए. ओके, आ जेते बेले तमरो चाष करा जे क्रॉप्स को कोन हो जे मंजी जेते बेले बुना जाए सेते कोन मंजी को समान जोरे जोरे दूरे दूरे फपाडंते कोन पे एना गोटे सीड आ गोटे सीड भीतर कोन थाए कोन रहइबो गैप रहइबो. सेथिरे कोन होबो गैप रहिले से कोन होबो फूड सनलाइट water सब sufficient amount रे पाई परियो. Okay, so this is helpful because it minimizes the competition for food, sunlight, water and minerals among plants of the same kind in the same area. It also allows them to grow in different habitat. Okay, so look at here how dispersion of seed occurs. By winds how it example is drumstick you know जोटा सजना गछ ताको drumstick हो जे. maple, grasses, आख, sunflower एई सब रो कोन हुए एई सब रो सीड डिस्पर्सल विंड माने पवन द्वारा तमरो विंड सीड डिस्पर्सल होला. सो देखो एठी देखो तमरो एटा गोटे सीड्स अछि बहुत सारा सीड से माने कोन होउचे एमिति पवन रो विंड रे उडी जाउचंते. एंड हियर यू लुक दिस वन, this bird is eating this fruit and it will disperse the seed in different place. Next is water. Look at here coconut seed with spongy and fibrous coating. Coconut coating ro spongy or fibrous hai, so that will float in water and that will disperse in far place. Okay, far place re disperse hai pariyo. Okay, next is animals. How to disperse? Spiny seeds like xanthium, urana get attached to the body of animals रो body रे कोन हुए ए सब अटैच है जाए आ गोटे जगह को ट्रांसपोर्ट है जाए और डिस्पर्स है जाए. देन फ्रूट बर्स्ट. हाउ फ्रूट बर्स्ट? लाइक castor, okay, or balsam seeds are dispersed when the fruits are burst with sudden jerk. Sudden jerk रे कोन हुए सडनली फाटी जाए ओके फ्रूटा फाटी जाए आ ता भीतर कौन बाहर जाए सीड्स बाहर जाए और से कौन हुए से डिस्पर्स हो जाए सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट सीड डिस्पर्सल mechanism and this is about today's class thank you